Hello, I'm going to start building some raised beds from floorboards and drain pipes. These materials are all free and should last many years. The only things that I've had to buy are some nuts and bolts to hold everything together. Let's go back in time first to when I got the boards.
Somebody was giving away these plastic pieces in their drive. It was with a note saying please take. So I took these, snapped together so they can be used either as edging, or if I can put them together like that, then they can be used to make compost bins or something. So very useful little find.
The floorboards are UV stabilized plastic, so no painting or other protection is necessary.
I've measured these, and the long pieces are a little bit longer than the 150 centimeters I need for the beds, so I'd have to be cutting these. And this is the only piece that's actually got a connecting piece in it, and this goes in the groove and then that goes into the next one, but I don't want flooring anyway. And then this is some little odds and ends, smaller pieces which I might use elsewhere, but yeah, I'm happy with that. There's something made out of pallets will eventually rust, and by the time you've lined it and messed about, it's a lot easier making it with this. Okay, today is the day I make some beds out of this lot to go in this area. So hopefully by the end of the day we'll have 1, 2, 3 1.5 meter by 3 meter beds, and this big bed will be 3 by 3 meters. So let's see how we get on. Well, the first job is to cut these pieces to the length of these. So what will happen is they will be like that. That little flimsy bit at the top doesn't matter, so they'll be like that. So the first job is to cut these pipes. So what we need is 15 centimeters exactly. So that's what we need to measure and cut. So I need to measure this mark it every 15 centimeters. Now just mark it with a set square. Oops. Now it's got some little burrs on it, but that really doesn't matter. I'll clean that up later. Considering all the other rubbish that's in around this place, it doesn't matter. This piece has got a screw on that side. I'll take that out later. Right, I've cut the pipe into pieces. Now these 4 are longer. In fact, they're twice the size of these other ones, because it's not obvious on camera, but from over here to over there's a 15 centimeter drop, and then the ground slopes slightly, but there's a big drop between one side of the bed to the other side of the bed of about 15 centimeters. So I had to make a double depth pieces. If I made a single height bed, this side would be level and this side would be on the ground. So I have to make a double height bed for this one because of the drop in the ground level. Okay, so I'll level those. Make sure that is level. Make sure that's level. Put that into place. Whoops. Other side level. Now this little flimsy bit of plastic will stand proud of that, but that's fine. So, put halfway there. And about halfway there. And that goes through. Should go through. Come on. There we go. Nut underneath. And tighten this, and repeat the process on the other side. So, got one piece. This is the end piece that has got a piece of pipe at this end and a piece of pipe at that end, and just to show how it fits, it will sort of, if it stays still, whoops, well, it'll go along the bed like that. And it's got two bolts, one there, so it's got two bolts there and two at the other end, so that'll be nice and secure. So one half of the bed is built, so it's those corner pieces. I'll connect it to another piece on either side, so I'll do the same on this side and then join the two pieces together. Yesterday my drill ran out of juice and I'd forgotten to pack the spare battery, so I couldn't finish the beds, so I had to take everything home and bring them back, but I should be able to get everything done today, and I made sure I brought the recharge battery and the spare, so that should be alright today. Right, that's the two halves done, so now all I've got to do is come in, move that along a bit, join these two ends, and then that's that bed finished. There will be a 3 centimetre overlap, so if I mark that on here. Doesn't have to be that exact, just because it is an allotment. I'm not building a hand foundations for a house. Because it's flexible, the drill is struggling to grip it, but right, so that's the first bed built. I just need to get the longer bolts for these, because I forgot to bring them, so I'll just temporarily put that together just to see how everything works out, and yeah, I'm happy with that. It's like everything else. You build the first one and you learn from it. Now that it's put together, I can see how it fits together, and I know what I've got to do for the rest of them. So I can look at this one as a reference for the others.